Understanding calibration in pest control. There are many different pieces of equipment in use by pest control operators. Whichever sprayer you use, note that they were designed in the first place as time-saving and efficient pieces of equipment for applying insecticides. Calibration of pesticide equipment ensures that the correct amount of pesticide is applied. If too much is applied, your chemical costs increase. You may be in violation of the law, and there may be negative effects on humans, livestock, and the environment. If too little is applied, you may not control the targeted pest. So why not calibrate? Common replies are, it takes too much time. It was calibrated when I bought it. It's too complicated. I have a rate controller, so I don't need to calibrate. But it doesn't take as much time as you think. The equipment wears and application rates change. Rate controllers need to be checked regularly, as mechanical sensors can wear over time or become sticky. So they need to be checked to ensure that they function properly. It is always important to make sure of the following before calibration. First, flush the spray system thoroughly with water. Next, check for wear, blocked sieves, leakages, and faulty gauges. Fit the required nozzles and sieves such as a 50 mesh filter. Next, fill the tank halfway with water and test the system, making sure there are no leakages. The sprayer is now ready for calibration. Calibration means adjusting the sprayer to deliver a uniform, even distribution of pesticide over the target area at the recommended dosage per 100 liters of water or per hectare. But how do we know how much mixture we need to apply to a specific area? The amount of mixture you will apply to a certain area is determined by 1. The flow rate of your nozzle, 2. Your spray width, and 3. Your walking speed. Nozzle flow rate. If the flow rate is too high or too low, it will lead to over or underdosing of the area. To determine your nozzle flow rate, spray into a measuring jug and determine the flow rate per minute. Spray width. If you hold the nozzle too high, you will cover a much wider area and therefore dilute the product, leading to underdosing. If you hold the nozzle too close to the surface, you concentrate the mixture and therefore over-apply. Walking speed. The average walking speed is 80 centimeters per second, which gives you approximately 48 meters per minute. Walking too fast can lead to underdosing, while if you walk too slow, the mixture will be finished before covering the entire area, leading to overdosing. Calibration is the action to control these 3 factors, walking speed, spray width, and flow rate, in order to ensure that you will apply the exact application rates specified on the product label. Lastly, we'll leave you with the most important aspect of calibration, which must be remembered: the danger of delivering too much or too little of the chemical. Certain basic steps may be followed either to increase or decrease the delivery. However, simply increasing or decreasing the pressure will change the spray pattern. It could also break up droplets into smaller ones, increasing drift away from the target area, which could be damaging to neighboring crops and plants. So remember, make calibration part of your pest control routine for better results. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about calibration. For more information, please visit the Pest Control Industries Training Academy.